A fast food business sells affordable food to customers in as little time as possible. These restaurants provide service by way of drive-thrus as well as traditional sit-down meals. Some customers opt to bring their order with them in a to-go fashion. This business is quite popular as it provides tasty food in a quick, low-cost manner. Open a fast food business and you'll provide people with an affordable means of eating, staying energized, and feeling fulfilled. Let's go through how to start your own fast food restaurant and whether it's the right fit for you. Step 1. Plan your business. A clear plan is essential for success as an entrepreneur. It will help you map out the specifics of your business and discover some unknowns. A few important topics to consider are: what are the startup and ongoing costs? Who is your target market? How much can you charge customers? What will you name your business? And what will you name your business? Luckily, we've done a lot of this research for you. This business requires the physical restaurant itself, cooking equipment, food and ingredients, labor, insurance, and marketing. Building a restaurant can cost upwards of $100,000 or more. The cost of cooking equipment and ingredients will likely be several $1,000s, if not tens of thousands of dollars. This business requires laborers, marketing, insurance, cooking equipment, monthly rent, and utilities. Laborers who take customer orders, cook food, serve meals, and clean the facility usually earn $7 to $10 per hour. Fast food restaurant managers earn between $25,000 and $55,000 per year. Accountants and marketing professionals earn a yearly salary in the range of $35,000 to $60,000. Budget several $100s or more per month for utilities. Plan on spending $500 to $1,000 or more per month to market your fast food restaurant. Cooking equipment and ingredients will cost several $1,000s per month. More fast food restaurant owners own their facility, yet there might be a monthly loan payment. Budget $1,000 or $2,000 or more for the monthly loan/rent payment. The target market are busy individuals who do not have time or energy to cook meals. Youngsters and those who earn low wages are also target customers due to the comparably low cost of fast food. This business can rake in plenty of money. A single fast food restaurant can generate $50,000 to $100,000 or more per year. Open additional locations and it's possible to earn millions of dollars per year. Add additional drive-through lanes to accommodate additional customers. It is also possible for fast food restaurants to provide catering services for local businesses, organizations, and events. Do not throw out old cooking equipment. Sell it to other restaurants and reinvest the proceeds in new equipment and improvements for your fast food restaurant. Choosing the right name is important and challenging. If you don't already have a name in mind, visit our How to Name a Business guide or to get help brainstorming a name with our fast food restaurant name generator. If you operate a sole proprietorship, you might want to operate under a business name other than your own name. When registering a business name, we recommend researching your business name by checking your state's business records, federal and state trademark records, social media platforms, and web domain availability. It is very important to secure your domain name before someone else does. Step 2. Form a legal entity. The most common business structure types are the sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company LLC, and corporation. Establishing a legal business entity such as an LLC or corporation protects you from being held personally liable if your fast food restaurant is sued. Step 3. Register for taxes. You will need to register a variety of state and federal taxes before you can open for business. Depending on which business structure you choose, you might have different options for how your business will be taxed. For example, some LLCs could benefit from being taxed as an S corporation. There are specific state taxes that might apply to your business. Step 4. Open a business bank account and credit card. Using dedicated business banking and credit accounts is essential for personal asset protection. When your personal and business accounts are mixed, your personal assets, such as your home, car, and other valuables, are at risk in the event your business is sued. In business law, this is referred to as piercing your corporate veil. Additionally, learning how to build business credit can help you get credit cards and other financing in your business's name instead of yours. Better interest rates, higher lines of credit, and more. Open a business bank account. This separates your personal assets from your company's assets, which is necessary for personal asset protection. It also makes accounting and tax filing easier. Open Net 30 accounts. When it comes to establishing your business credit, Net 30 vendors are considered the way to go. The term Net 30, which is popular among vendors, refers to a business credit arrangement where the company pays the vendor within 30 days of receiving goods or services. Net 30 credit terms are often used for businesses that need to obtain inventory quickly but do not have the cash on hand. Besides establishing business relationships with vendors, Net 30 credit accounts get reported to the major credit business bureaus. This is how businesses build credit so they can qualify for credit cards and other lines of credit. Get a business credit card. This helps you separate personal and business expenses by putting your business expenses all in one place. It also builds your company's credit history, which can be useful to raise money and investment later on. Step 5. Set up business accounting. Recording your various expenses and sources of income is critical to understanding the financial performance of your business. Keeping accurate and detailed accounts also greatly simplifies your annual tax filing. Step 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Failure to acquire necessary permits and licenses can result in hefty fines or even cause your business to be shut down. There are federal regulations regarding what can and cannot be added to, sold as, and processed with food. Certain state permits and licenses may be needed to operate a fast food business. A fast food business is generally run out of a storefront. Businesses operating out of a physical location typically require a certificate of occupancy. A certificate of occupancy confirms that all building codes, zoning laws, and government regulations have been met. If you plan to lease a location, it is generally the landlord's responsibility to obtain a CO. Before leasing, confirm that your landlord has or can obtain a valid CO that is applicable to fast food businesses. After a major renovation, a new CO often needs to be issued. If your place of business will be renovated before opening, it is recommended to include language in your lease agreement stating that lease payments will not commence until a valid CO is issued. If you plan to purchase or build a location, you will be responsible for obtaining a valid CO from a local government authority. Review all building codes and zoning requirements for your business location to ensure your fast food business will be in compliance and be able to obtain a CO. When selling food, you will need licensing from a local health department. All establishments serving food are required to pass a health inspection. Step 7. Get business insurance. Just as with licenses and permits, your business needs insurance in order to operate safely and lawfully. Business insurance protects your company's financial well-being in the event of a covered loss. There are several types of insurance policies created for different types of businesses, with different risks. If you're unsure of the types of risks that your business may face, begin with general liability insurance. This is the most common coverage that small businesses need, so it's a great place to start for your business. Another notable insurance policy that many businesses need is workers' compensation insurance. If your business will have employees, it's a good chance that your state will require you to carry workers' compensation coverage. Step 8. Define your brand. Your brand is what your company stands for, as well as how your business is perceived by the public. A strong brand will help your business stand out from competitors. Promote the business through a wide variety of local channels. Increase awareness of your fast food restaurant through advertisements on billboards, in local newspapers, on the radio, TV, and beyond. Consider offering coupons to encourage people to give your fast food restaurant a try. Consider giving away a free toy with offerings geared towards children. Sponsoring local events and sports teams to present your fast food restaurant and brand in a positive light will also help. You can sponsor local contests, giveaways, and other promotions to increase your brand's exposure. The speed at which food is prepared, cooked, and served is the most important factor. Offer one or several drive-through lanes so customers do not have to park their vehicles and walk inside to place their order. Keep your prices competitive with those offered at other local fast food chains. Step 9. Create your business website. After defining your brand and creating your logo, the next step is to create a website for your business. While creating a website is an essential step, some may fear that it's out of their reach because they don't have any website building experience. While this may have been a reasonable fear back in 2015, web technology has seen huge developments in the past few years that makes the lives of small business owners much simpler. Here are the main reasons why you shouldn't delay building your website. All legitimate businesses have websites. The size or industry of your business does not matter when it comes to getting your business online. Social media accounts like Facebook pages or LinkedIn business profiles are not a replacement for a business website that you own. Website building tools like the GoDaddy Website Builder have made creating a basic website extremely simple. You don't need to hire a web developer or designer to create a website that you can be proud of. Step 10. Set up your business phone system. Getting a phone to set up your business is one of the best ways to help keep your personal life and business life separate and private. That's not the only benefit. It also helps you make your business more automated, gives your business legitimacy, and makes it easier for potential customers to find and contact you. There are many services available to entrepreneurs who want to set up a business phone system. If you are looking for a way to make people happy, satisfy cravings, and provide people with the sustenance they need to work hard, you should consider opening a fast food business. Fast food restaurants are ideal for those who enjoy making and serving delicious food that people of all income levels can enjoy. This business is your chance to improve the mood, satisfaction, and energy levels of those in your community, as well as those passing through town. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and feel free to subscribe to stay updated with our future videos. Thanks for watching!